Kazakhstan is emerging as a crypto haven in Central Asia, offering a progressive regulatory framework. The Astana International Financial Centre, AIFC, acts as a bridge between Europe and Asia, fostering a crypto-friendly environment. The AIFC's independent legal system, rooted in English common law, ensures global recognition and trust. This unique position makes Kazakhstan a preferred destination for international crypto ventures. The AIFC license covers a wide range of crypto activities, from trading and custody to DeFi. This comprehensive approach ensures businesses can operate securely and efficiently in the digital asset space. With a robust compliance framework including AML and KYC procedures, the AIFC supports both centralized and decentralized exchanges, ensuring secure operations for all stakeholders. Kazakhstan's AIFC offers unparalleled tax benefits, including 0% corporate tax and no VAT. Compared to Estonia, Gibraltar, and Singapore, the AIFC provides a streamlined process and rapid market entry. The AIFC's supportive environment caters to both startups and established businesses, making it an attractive hub for global crypto operations. Its competitive edge lies in its business-friendly policies. Obtaining a crypto license in the AIFC involves a step-by-step process, from consultation to approval. Engaging certified consultants ensures a smooth application journey, minimizing risks and delays. Prifinance can assist in navigating the AIFC's regulatory landscape efficiently. By partnering with us, you'll secure a strong foothold in Kazakhstan's thriving crypto market, ready for global expansion.